Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will be creating this stunning Indian wedding guest makeup look. I'm going to show you how you can actually create a really wearable, beautiful, glowy, dewy makeup look using all the products under the budget of $1,000. Yes, you heard me right. I have used almost everything which is under the budget of 1,000 rupees. So all the products are quite affordable, but still you can see the makeup look has turned out really beautiful, right? So I'm gonna show you all the steps, all the tips and tricks that you can create this look with. For reference, let me tell you that I have dry skin, so all the products that I have used would work great for dry skin beauties. So yeah, if you guys want to know how I created this look and what are the products that I use, then please continue watching. Well, as I just mentioned that I have dry skin, so for me to do a proper skincare routine before putting makeup is just so important. And for the glow on my face, I will be using this 10% Cica Glow Face Serum from the Dermaco. You can see that I have used a lot of amount of this. I'm using this very consistently these days because this just provides that instant glow to my face. Also, this is super hydrating and nourishing to the skin, which I absolutely love. This is very lightweight, so even if you have oily skin, you can wear this, and this just makes my skin look extremely glowy and dewy. There's no tackiness, there's no stickiness at all. So I'm just gonna press this into my skin so that it gets completely absorbed. So once my serum is nicely absorbed into my skin, the next step that I like to do is applying a sunscreen. This step is just so important for me if I'm wearing makeup or not, if I'm at home or not. Every single day I just like to wear a sunscreen, and the sunscreen that I'm gonna use is the Dermaco's 1% hyaluronic acid sunscreen. The best part about this sunscreen is that you can skip on your moisturizer because it is extremely moisturizing, and this has 1% of hyaluronic acid, which is extremely hydrating on the skin. So I just skip on my moisturizer whenever I use this sunscreen. Particularly, this has no white cast whatsoever, does not pill. So I just love this sunscreen so much. I think I have been recommending this for over a year now. I mean, you guys know how much I love this sunscreen. So I'm just gonna spread this all over my face and my neck area, and yeah, then I'm just gonna let it sit on my skin for a while. The combination of both these two products is just beautiful, and it's just perfect for to achieve a really nice glowy look to your face. So yeah, if you guys want to get these products, you can check out the description. I will provide the links. Also, you can use my coupon code, which is JATAWA2022, and you will get additional 20% off on the Dermaco's website, which is great, right? Also, every time you buy from them, they will link your order to a child that they will help educate along with Bhumi. So they have pledged to help around 10,000 plus students across this year, which I would say is a great initiative. So yeah, do not forget to check that out. Also, I just like to hydrate in between. पानी पीते रहो भाई, क्योंकि बहुत डिहाइड्रेटेड होती है स्किन विंटर्स में. So yeah, the links will be in the description. Do not forget to check that out. I'm gonna mood off that extra glow, so for that I will be taking this Mars Illuminati base. This is like a strobe cream. This has a very nicely milled shimmer particles, which instantly provides a beautiful goddess like glow on your face. So I will just be focusing this firstly on my high points, and then I lightly like to spread this all over my face. I just like to leave my T-zone because that's where I like to apply my pore blurring primer, because I have larger pores there, so that really needs to be taken care of. So uske alawa I will be applying this Illuminati base all over my face, and you can see how good and how beautiful glow this provides. You can use this with makeup, without makeup. You can just mix it with your moisturizer for a natural glow. If you like, you can mix it with your foundation. So there are like multiple ways that you can use this product. I just love this, and it's quite affordable. Now for my pore blurring primer, I will be using this sugar primer, and I'm just gonna focus this just on my nose because that's the area where I have larger pores these days. For foundation, I will be mixing two foundations. First one is the K Beauty foundation and the another one is the Rimmel London foundation. Both of these foundations are supremely hydrating. I just like to mix my foundations to get the perfect shade and the perfect kind of finish. Both of these are extremely lightweight foundation, looks so healthy on the skin. So I just mixed both these foundations in equal ratio, and then I just like to dot the foundation all over my face so that I don't apply too much of foundation. I just do not like that heavy cakey base, so I always go very slow with my base products. I just like to apply one layer of foundation, and when I feel that I need a little bit more coverage, then I just build it up. Do not apply too much of foundation in just one go. I have seen people doing this, and your base does not look healthy or natural at all. Always go slow and you would see a great difference. So once the one layer is nicely blended, you can see I am just building up the foundation. Whatever is left on my hand, I'm kind of just taking that on my beauty blender and then just dabbing that on my skin, and you can see the glow on my face. It's very natural, it's very hydrating and very subtle. Now to cancel out the dark circles, I will be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. This one is in the shade Pure Beige. I love this concealer so much. This has a peachy undertone which cancels out the darkness. So this concealer is just so perfect to cancel out the darkness. It actually covers your dark circles beautifully and also adds a really nice highlight close to your eyes. So it is just like one and done kind of concealer. I do not like to apply any other concealer after this, and you could see I did not apply the foundation close to my eyes because I just like to apply as less product as possible, especially close to my eyes, because that's the area which tends to crease very quickly. So if you just layer so many products there, it would 100% crease. So just try and apply as less product as possible. I am gonna move to my cream contour. As I said, I have dry skin and this is the time of like winter season. I just like to use product which are more on like cream based products because I just cannot bear those powder products that much. My skin does not take them very well. If you have oily skin and if you don't get dry patches, you can work with your normal powder based products as well, but I like to use cream products especially during winters. Also when you are creating a look which is which you want to last longer, if you just apply a cream product underneath your powder products, it would make sure that your base is gonna last longer. Also you can see the shade of the contour is quite dark and quite cool toned, right? And it is quite visible on my skin because when you're going to a wedding, वहाँ पे lighting बहुत ज़्यादा harsh lighting होती है, right? And when you are clicking pictures, if you don't contour your face and if you don't add the dimension, the pictures are gonna come out very weird. बहुत flat लगेगा face. So whenever you are going out for a wedding, make sure you contour your face and just add the dimension beautifully so that when you take pictures, your face does not look flat. Okay, as I said that I like to use cream products. I'm using a cream blush as well from Ilana. This is my first time using this blush and this is quite pigmented, to be very honest. I love this blush. The good part about this that this does not move my foundation, but I'm still trying this out, so I cannot really tell what I really feel about this blush. I would definitely share my review in maybe a YouTube short or on my Instagram, maybe on an Instagram reel, so you can actually check my Instagram link in the description because I upload my quick reviews there also. So yeah, you can just go and follow me there. I'm just gonna quickly set my under eyes. I do not like to set my entire face. As I said, I have dry skin, so that's not what I like to do. I'm just gonna set my under eyes, and for that I have used the Maybelline New York loose finishing powder. This also actually gives a really nice highlight under my eyes, so I love this product so much. Now for my powder, contour, blush and highlight, I will be using this My Glam palette, a stunning palette this one is, you guys. This has a really beautiful chocolatey brown contour, a really beautiful pink blush and a champagne highlight. So I'm just gonna take the contour shade firstly. I'm just taking very little amount of this because I don't want too much powderiness on my face, but as I said that I have applied the cream products, and the cream product needs to be set with a powder product, because when you're gonna hug, you know, different people, if you just don't set your cream products, it's just gonna transfer, right? So set karna bahut important hai, and that's why I'm using very less amount of this contour. And then I'm gonna move on to my blush. The blush shade again is just so stunning. The palette is beautiful. The shades are really pigmented, but at the same time very blendable. So I'm just gonna pop that blush on my cheeks. You can see the shade is so beautiful. And once my blush also is properly laid there, I'm just gonna apply the tiniest amount of highlighter, because I don't feel like applying too much highlighter these days. Anyways, my base is looking quite glowy, very naturally glowing and dewy, because of the, you know, foundation that we have used and because of the skincare that we have done. So just a little bit of highlighter is what I need. Now let's move on to the eyes, and the first thing that I will be doing is filling in my brows, and for that I will be taking this Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. This one is in the shade, I don't remember actually, just check the description, but the shade is quite chocolatey dark brown, which suits my you know, brows really beautifully. It matches my hair color, so it's a perfect shade for me. And the product is just so nicely pigmented. It is not at all super pigmented, just the right amount of pigment that you want for your brow product. I just like to fill in the gaps, use the spoolie to spread the product, and that's literally it. I am anyways due for my brows, so if I just fill them very perfectly, they look super thick, and that's not the look that I'm going for. So once my eyes and once my brows are done, we are gonna move on to the eyes. And for eyes, I will be taking this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, which is one of my favorite eyeshadow palette of all time. So beautiful this palette is. This has all the neutral brown shades that you need for your multiple looks. I mean, to be very honest, you can create multiple looks with this one eyeshadow palette. This has the beautiful brown tones, orange tones, warm tones in it. You can create your everyday makeup looks, and at the same time you can create your smoky eyes, dark chocolatey brown shades, where you can use that to create a stunning smoky eyes. You can create party wear makeup looks, I mean, what not. Whenever I just look at this palette, I'm just like, oh my god, I just want to use this, because the shades are super pigmented. I mean, I do not really need to explain what I'm doing here. You can clearly see I took a really nice beautiful transition shade and I applied that on my crease, and then I took a flat blending brush and took the shade which is very dark chocolatey brown shade, and I applied that on my outer corner and also on my crease. And then I took the blending brush and I'm kind of blending both the shades together. After that, I'm taking this another beautiful brown shade on a blending brush, and then I'm going to apply that on my crease again. So there's going to be a beautiful transition from a very light shade to a darker brown shade to the darkest chocolate brown, and then I'm going to blend all three shades together on my crease. Blending is the key to achieve a stunning eye look. Then I'm going to take this stunning beautiful golden shimmery shade and I'm going to apply this on my lid. So from the inner part of my lid to the middle part of my lid, I'm just going to apply this shade. This is a really stunning beautiful goldeny shade, and there's no fallout whatsoever. You can use your fingers as well, but I wanted this shade to be more precise, and that's why I'm using a brush. Now for my kajal, I will be using this Recode kajal, which I recently got, and I am actually a fan of this kajal, you guys. This is extremely black. This is waterproof, does not transfer, does not budge, does not move at all. I mean, this I would say is the best kajal that I have used up till now. After the K Beauty kajal, I just love this one so much, you guys. It is a beautiful kajal, I'd say. I'm gonna smoke it out with the help of a dark brown eyeshadow. I took the shadow on a flat brush, and then I'm just gonna smoke out on my upper lash line and also on my lower lash line. And then of course a coat of mascara is what we need after this step. So for that I will be taking this sugar mascara, which I'm literally obsessed with these days. This mascara is just so perfect for your multiple makeup looks. The best part about this mascara is that this is not a waterproof mascara, which makes it very easy to use. I just like to apply this mascara whenever I'm going out. This gives really nice volume and length to my lashes, and that's what we need for this look. So yeah, I just love this mascara so much. Now the last step is our lips, and for that I will be using this Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Chestnut, and I'm just gonna line my lips with the help of this, and I'm just gonna fill also my lips just a little bit from the outer corners, just a little bit, and then I am gonna move on to the lipstick. For that I will be taking this Rimmel London liquid lipstick in the shade Love Bite. Again, I'm just gonna focus this on the outer corners of my lips, and then I'm gonna blend it out with the help of my fingers only. And I have left a little bit part in the middle part of my lips, because that's where I will be applying another shade of lipstick. And for that I will be taking this sugar lipstick in the shade Bold Play. This is a really nice beautiful pink toned lipstick which has a hint of red as well. I'm just very bad at explaining shades, but yeah, I'm just gonna fill in the gap, just the middle part of my lips, and then I'm gonna use my finger to again blend the two shades together. And here's the finished look, you guys. I really hope you guys love this makeup look as much as I do. I totally love how this makeup look has turned out. So yeah, let me know what do you think, guys, about this makeup look. All the product details and the links will be in the description box below, so do not forget to check that out. And yeah, that's what I have to do for you guys in today's video. I will see you guys very soon in my next one. Till then, stay safe, stay at home. I love you guys all so much. Bye.